morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog will be a very fun one. It will be a glow up diary. So we are getting prepped and ready for 2025. We're doing a physical glow up, mental glow up, just everything glow up, I would say. So today will be like a physical glow up. I'm going to get microneedling done. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much just like a procedure to where they use a needle to help like produce collagen, but also just break up those deep like acne scars in your skin. That treatment helps with that. With that treatment, it's so much being done to your skin that like you have to have a healing process. So I'm going to be leaving the place looking as red as literally this robe. It's very beneficial for your skin. It'll be my third time getting it. I also will be getting my locks dyed later this week and I'm so excited about it. I've been wanting to get my hair colored and dyed for like the longest, but I've been putting it off. But you guys, like I'm like so excited. What better way to go into the new year with just new hair, a new identity, a new person, just new vibes. Like I'm really trying to tap into like new for this year. As you can see, that will be on Wednesday, and then just doing my other things like my normal rituals, getting my nails done by myself, DIY. I just finished trimming my eyebrows. My eyebrows are microbladed. I just used like a little facial trimmer to clean up my eyebrows a little bit. I also will be getting a head start on my vision board as well too. I want to really sit down and plan out like all my goals for this year. I already have an idea of it in my head, but I just want to put it to paper if that makes sense. So I really sit down with myself and just write out my goals. That way when I do plan to do my vision board, it'll be a lot more easier for myself. Yeah, I'm really excited for this vlog and I'm excited for you guys to come along with me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get ready for my appointment. It's like in the next like hour or so, but yeah, let's get ready for today's vlog. Hey guys, I actually just left the microneedling. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record in there, but I don't know if you can tell on the camera if my skin looks red or not, but honestly it looks almost the same. Usually my skin is super red. Maybe it's just the camera, like you just can't tell on camera, but I can tell my skin is very like glowy at the moment. But I don't know, we'll see how it looks over the week. It's supposed to be like a few changes that happens during the process, like a little bit of peeling, things like that. So we'll see. She also gave me some aftercare instructions, so I can't use any products for tonight, and maybe I think she said I can start again tomorrow, but tonight I have to use some aloe vera gel. I'll show you guys that maybe later tonight for aftercare, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head home and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, it's been a couple of hours and I'm going to do my post-care skincare routine for the microneedling. So it says for 12 to 24 hours, leave the skin untouched, but I am allowed to apply gel-based products like aloe vera. So I'm gonna use this aloe vera soothing gel that I got from a beauty supply store and put this over my skin. I feel like you can kind of tell it's like, it looks kind of crazy now, but this is how it looks. This is what I kind of always use whenever I get my microneedling treatment. It was kind of hard not to get my face wet in the shower, so I'm just gonna use a cotton pad to just wipe off a little bit of excess. I feel like right now my skin just feels tight, but I know tomorrow everything should kind of subside as far as redness goes. I actually also have an aloe vera plant that I could have used, but this one also does the job. All right, this is how my skin looks right now. It looks pretty crazy, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow I am going to be doing my planning for 2025. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is the next day. I told you guys that I was going to work on my vision board goals, so I'm actually going to do that later this week. Right now I'm going to work on doing my nail. I got this really cute design from BT Art Box, but it's like these little cherries. I don't know why, but lately I've been really obsessed with like cherries and mushrooms. I don't know why, but that'll be really cute to have this set on for the holidays. So these are the things that I use for my nails. So I use this as my cuticle remover, the Blue Cross, and then I follow up with this Moravan, I believe it's how it's pronounced, nail prep dehydrator, and then I use super strong Nail Bond and YK One Professional glue. Yeah, these are my products. I also have this thing from Amazon, I believe too. So I use this to push my cuticle back and also to like trim any areas around my nails. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my nails. Good morning. It is the next day and today I'm coloring my locks. The lighting is terrible. I'm really excited but also just nervous for change. I'm ready for change. I just hope I like it. I think I will. I've had the color multiple times for other things. I think I'll like it for sure. But yeah, you guys, let's get our hair dyed.
So how long you been anticipating getting your hair colored?
The past year. Probably longer than that actually. Probably before I even got locked.
Oh,
I've been wanting to do. Yeah.
It.
I wanted my hair to like grow out first before I decided to.
How many years are you in?
It's 2 years and 2 months.
Oh, okay. So you at the perfect mark. This is what I call the perfect mark.
I am obsessed with my hair. It came out so good. I love how it's like highlights as well too, but oh my gosh, new hair, new me. I just can't stop looking at myself. I love this color on me. I feel like it really brings out my eyes as well too, but oh my gosh, she's a brand new person. Looking like a brand new person. Hey guys, it's the next day. Today will be part of my mental glow up for 2025. So it means organizing, getting a new planner, writing out my goals for 2025. I'm currently at Target to buy the planner. Normally my planner, I get it from Amazon, but I want to try to see what Target has to offer as far as planners go. I want to go to the library to work on my goals because honestly y'all, I've been procrastinating it for the longest. When it comes to the end of the year, I feel like it's easy to forget what you accomplished. So in my brain, I'm like, did I accomplish anything this year? And I know I have. My next video will also be a vision board video, so excited for that, so you guys can kind of see how I go about doing my vision board. But today will just be writing out my goals just to have it on paper. That way it's easy for me to get like pictures and correlate it to my eventual vision board or whatever. But I feel like I'm yapping right now. Let's go ahead and go into Target. Okay, so I moved upstairs and right now I'm just going over my 2024 goals for this year, and I'm actually surprised that I completed a lot of stuff this year. A lot of the things that weren't, I guess, achieved this year is because I wanted to personally pivot or like something that was out of my control. But yeah, just seeing like how much I've actually accomplished this year, and I'll touch more on this in my next video for the vision board video, but I feel like it's really important to create like success metrics when it comes to creating your goals. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and write out my goals. So I kind of focus on just like different parts of my life. So career, relationships, personal development, things like that. So I'm gonna split it all up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on 2025. Back home from the library. I had a pretty productive day. I got all my goals done and they were honestly like pretty similar to my goals from this year, just a little bit more elevated. For the most part, like health and wellness is the same. Things like that are like pretty similar, but that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys for my vision board video, which will go up next week. But yeah, bye.